We interview a lot of potential clients every year, and some of them actually ask for references, which I think is a great thing. So I'd like to give you a few questions today that I hope will help guide your process, give you a process that I think you can definitely use in interviewing references, but also use in interviewing companies. Question number one, why did you choose to work with the X company? We're going to say Sardone Construction. So you call them up and say, hey, we're thinking about using Sardone for this project. Why did you hire them in the first place? The reason that question is important is because maybe you're thinking about working with the company because, I don't know, you think they're the cheapest or the fastest or whatever. And so you ask these people why they work with them, and you find out none of those things are the case. Maybe you learn that you shouldn't work with that company. Maybe you just have your expectations reset. I think it's a fair question to ask the design build team that you're considering working with why their clients choose to work with them. And I get that question sometimes. Why do people work with you, Stephen? And I enjoy the question. It always catches me by surprise a little bit. But you know, our clients choose to work with us because they like the process. They like the upfront communication. They like the confidence in knowing we're going to start off on this path and we're going to take you all the way through together. And if there's surprises along the way, we're going to talk about them as soon as possible and work through them. That's why our clients work with us, but that's a good question for you to ask your references as well. Why did they choose to work with that company you're interviewing?